my dear children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and taking care of yourself, as well as I believe you people have enjoyed your Dashera vacations nicely, and then afterwards we have conducted our essay one. I hope you people have written it very well, right? So now everything is completed, vacations are completed, exams are completed. Now our next work is coming back to the lessons. Okay, so yeah, from term reader we have completed 3 lessons, lesson number 1, 2 and 3, and now we need to start with the 4th lesson. The 4th lesson is feeding habits of animals. Okay, so all the 3rd class students, take out your term reader, science, lesson number 4, that is in page number 102. Okay, let us start. So as the lesson name says, that this lesson is all about how do animals eat. Okay, like what parts they eat, used to eat. They are like we human beings, we use hands and our mouth, teeth to eat. But does the animals use their hands? Let us see. How do they eat? Food. Animals need food to grow and to work, but they cannot make their own food like plants. So they wander in search of food. Some eat plants while others eat the flesh of other animals. Yet others eat both plants and animals. There are 3 groups of animals based on the food and feeding habits. So yes, like we human beings, हमें खाना चाहिए, right? जिंदा रहने के लिए, एनर्जी के लिए, and for our growth. Similarly, animals के लिए भी खाना खाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So based on the eating habits, it is shown that there are 3 types of animals. Like कुछ animals जो है जो सिर्फ plants खाते हैं. Few animals are there which eat flesh, and few animals are there which eat both the plants as well as flesh. So these are being divided into 3 groups, that are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Okay, let us see what does it mean. Plant eating animals are called herbivorous. Rabbit, goat, cow, horse, elephant, etc. eat grass and other plants. Birds like house, sparrow and dove eat food grains. So herbivorous animals उन्हें कहा जाता है जो सिर्फ plants खाते हैं. Examples they have shown over here, like rabbit, goat, cow. Birds में भी कुछ animals है, like sparrow and dove. So these animals, they eat only plants. They will not eat animals. Okay, so this type of animals are called as what? Herbivorous. Next is what? Carnivorous. Flesh eating animals are called carnivorous. Tiger, lion, fox, snake and frog are flesh eaters. So carnivorous, again these animals are called as what? Which eat flesh. So what happens? They hunt the animals and then they eat that flesh raw. So these type of animals are called as what? Carnivorous. Next is what? Omnivorous. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called as what? Omnivorous. Bear, cat, crow, etc. eat flesh and plants both. So animals which eat both plants as well as other animals, they kill the animals and they eat. That animals are called as what? Omnivorous animals. Examples are given: bear, cat, crow. So they eat flesh as well as plants. Okay children, so did you got? There are 3 groups of animals: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Herbivorous are called as what? The animals which eat only plants. Carnivorous are the animals which eat flesh. Omnivorous which eat both what? Plants as well as flesh. Next is what? Food chain. Deer eats plants and lion eat the deer. This system is called as what? Food chain. Okay, so what happens, like how the food chain is been divided. कैसा मतलब? Plants को कौन खाता है? Deer. And deer को कौन खाता है? Lion. Okay, so this is what? Food chain. मतलब लॉयन का पेट भरने के लिए वो एक जानवर को खाता है, एंड जानवर किससे खाता है? प्लांट्स को खाता है. अगेन इट इज बीन रोटेटेड. अगेन प्लांट्स को एनिमल खाते हैं, एनिमल को भी एनिमल खाते हैं. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? फूड चेन. लाइकवाइज फ्रॉग ईट इंसेक्ट्स एंड स्नेक ईट फ्रॉग. ओके, सो अब फ्रॉग जो है इंसेक्ट्स को खाता है, तो फ्रॉग को खाने वाला भी कोई है, दैट इज व्हाट? स्नेक. ओके, तो स्नेक को खाने वाला भी डेफिनेटली और भी कोई होंगे स्नेक को. हाँ, ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? फूड चेन. So for example, like cat eat rat. Okay, cat किसको खाते हैं, rat को खाते हैं. So similarly cat को खाने वाले भी कोई हो गए. This process is called as what? Food chain process. Okay, you can see the picture over here. This is lion, this is deer. So lion, अगर deer ने plants को खाया है तो deer को खाने वाला भी lion है. So this type of thing is called as what? Food chain. So deer is a plant eating animal. Okay, and this is what? This is eating animal. It will eat flesh of the animal. So this animal is called as what? Flesh eating animal. Is it clear, children? Turn your page. Energy giving food. So animals like camels, mules, horses and oxen help us to carry loads. They also work at the farm. They need much energy to do a lot of work. They should be given grains and oilseeds, cake in their food. So few animals we use in for our purpose, for our work, to carry the loads and to travel from one place to another place. Okay, in that case we need to give those animals that food which gives them energy. In the sense we need to give them grain and oil seeds, cake. So अगर हमें उन animals को use करना है, so definitely it is our duty कि वो animals की भी हम health का care करें. So in that sense अगर आपको उनसे बहुत सारा loads या बहुत सारा travel करवाना है तो इसलिए उन्हें हम energy giving food देने चाहिए, जैसे कि grains and oil seeds, cake. And few animals are there which give us milk. We all drink milk, right? So animals like cow, buffalo and goat give us milk. They need food which help them to produce more milk. They should be given fresh grass, leaves, oil cakes, cotton seeds, etc. So yes, few animals give milk like cow, goat and buffalo. So these animals, it is compulsory कि उन्हें हम इतना अच्छे से या ज़्यादा खाना खिलाएं जिसकी वजह से वो हमें ज़्यादा दूध दे सकें. इसके अलावा what we need to do, we need to, whatever the food which we are giving to those animals, we should see that they are fresh food, fresh grass, leaves, oil cakes and cotton seeds, etc. Okay children, so these were the food for the animals. Like animals were divided into 3 types and how we are giving them food, what type of food we were giving to the animals and what in return the animals are giving to us. Okay, in the next session we will see the feeding habits, like what things they will use to eat food, whether hands, whether tongue, whether teeth. Okay, so these are the few things which animals will use. Let us discuss this thing in the next session. Okay children, till then read the lesson 1 or twice time so that it will be easy for you. Not only it will improve your reading skills, as well as before watching the video, if you read it, you can understand the lesson or the video properly. Okay children, we'll meet in the next section. Till then, goodbye, take care.